Meditation is simple, yet challenging. It is a way to train the mind to focus on what you want it to, similar to training your body in the gym. Get into a comfortable position and close your eyes. Begin to focus on your toes. Let all of your awareness center on each of your toes individually. Notice any sensations you are having here in your toes. Now slowly draw your awareness to the entire feet, the arches, the heels, the tops of the feet. Let all of your awareness now focus on the ankles as well as the shins and calves. Now taking your focus up to the knees, concentrate only on the area around your knees. Feeling your body relaxing as you do this focused concentration. Drawing your attention up to the thighs, relaxing them as well. Placing your attention on your hips and pelvis, noticing any sensations you're having here. Now up to your belly and abdomen, relaxing this area simply by placing your focus on it. Up to your rib cage. Notice how your ribs are slowly moving, gently expanding and contracting with the breath. Perhaps if you become still enough, you can even feel your heart beating. Allow yourself to become so relaxed. Drawing your attention up to the throat and neck. If there is any tension here, allow it to just melt away. Focus on your ears, noticing the sounds passing through. Now concentrating on your mouth and jaw, letting them release and relax. Noticing your nose and how the air is passing through ever so slightly. And your eyes behind the darkness of your eyelids. Bring attention to the top of your head, only focusing on the very top of your head now. Allow a wave of relaxation to travel from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes. This is called a body scan meditation, and it is very relaxing to focus the mind on one area of your body at a time. Join me in the next meditation session for new techniques in training the mind.